really random. You should know that. Today's video is a collective combined fall decor haul, or combined collective. There go my toddler. Come say hello. Isn't she adorable? So today we're going to, I'm going to show you all the pieces I will be using for fall. I don't know why we need any of this stuff. You don't need any of this stuff, but I think social media has a lot to do with it, but I'm taking responsibility for my part. So without further ado, my little helper here is going to go grab the stuff on my table. It's a lot of stuff on my table for no reason. For no reason at all. I probably need to go to therapy, but let's stop rambling. She's gonna go grab the stuff, and then I'm gonna show you what I got. I went to Target, I went to Hobby Lobby, and I got some really cute pieces. So let me show you what I picked up. I was gonna, separate the clip from me. I can't be bothered, I'm not that type of person. So if that's the kind of haul you were hoping to see, well, I'm so sorry to disappoint you. But from Target, the Heart in Hand collection with Magnolia. Is it Magnolia? I don't know. I got this. It was $10. It is so beautiful. They have the other one like this, in this size, that had this flower in there. But I'm not going for the muted purple. The reason why I picked this up is because I'm going to stick this in my bathroom where my main colors are not out on display. So I thought this was really cute. This was $5.99. They raised their prices this year. I don't know, COVID maybe, but this is $5.99 and this is $9.99. So that's what I picked up. Together they look really cute on the shelf. Together, I think they complement each other well. And then there go my assistant. She's showing you the other pieces while I put these stuff down out of my hand. So we're not wasting time, you know what I mean? So next up, Madison is showing you this item. What is this called? A lower, no, don't get me. This sticky pointy thing, it was $10, and I wanted to, this is faux potted plant. I wanted to get this last year, and I kept kicking myself in the butt because I didn't pick it up. I'm so sorry, my toddler doesn't really know how video, don't pay her no mind. But anyways, I wanted to grab this last year, but I didn't, and we're already at 8 minutes, or is that 3? I'm blind like a bat. So I got that from Target. So I have more stuff from Target, but let's just move on to what's closest to me. Hobby Lobby did it again. Amber vase, amber glass vase. This was $5.99, and I don't know what I'm thinking. I just saw it and I loved it, and I picked it up. I need help. I need Jesus. So if anybody see him, please tell him I'm in need of him. I promise, this is it. No more. No more. No more. This is a big one. So this was $12.99, of course, 40% off, because yeah, nobody's paying full price for anything anymore. That's a lie. But this is size difference. Not much. This is a little fatter. This is skinnier. So yay me. Hopefully my husband is not watching this video. Got a little kitchen tea towel ladder. This was $12.99, 40% off. So this is a little tea ladder, and I got the brown, the wood tone. They had the white one. Of course, I contemplated whether or not I wanted to get the white one, but you don't need to. So I just got that one. Guys, before you guys see the other clips of the video, I forgot some pieces. So I'm just going to drop this in there very randomly. I don't know how I forgot these, but I did. I saw these and I was like, I could stick them in places. These were $3.99. I only got 2, but I think they're so cute. So those are my 2 little pumpkins that I got this year. No more pumpkins. I have a ton of pumpkins, so I just love myself these little sticky pumpkins. And then I got this picture with the intention of putting it on my island on a tray, but I need a taller one so I can turn them like this, back to back, but it needs to be much taller. But I saw this one and it was $19.99, 40% off. I just love the spout, whatever, this part. I love this part. I think it's really cute. And then this was spout. Yeah, okay. $1.99. This is a spring collection. This has nothing to do with fall, but I picked it up. It was like 30 cents, 60 cents. You could use it for hot dogs or ice. And from the Heart and Hand collection, I got this guy. At my store, they didn't have the taller one. So this is the medium, and then this is the mini. So I just picked this up. This was $4.99, and this was $8.99. I saw this basket on clearance at Hobby Lobby for $2.99. I love the black. I think that I could bring this into my decor in my living room because I need a little bit more black. So I got it for $3. This bad boy, $24.99. This was birch and amber, and it was $24.99. So I love the smell. I love the vase because I feel like once the candle's done, I can have a vase, a vase, vase, whatever, forever. I love the smell and I can't wait to burn it. So yeah, that's it.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, get back to watching the rest of the video. I don't know where I'm gonna pop this in, but I have to. But while she brings all the stuff over, I got these dried floral. These were $13.99, 40% off. And I know exactly where these are going. I picked up 2 of these little tea mug. They were $2.99 mini mug. They're mini mug, and I am obsessed with these. Obsessed. Last year I searched everywhere for this color, and of course they sold out everywhere. So this year I just got 2. I could have got more, but I was like, no, I really need one, but just in case one breaks, I have a backup. You know what I mean? So these were $2.99, 40% off. And then while I was at it, they had these, so I just grabbed those. I don't really need it. It's not really part of my color, but I have it just in case. You never know. When you're decorating, always overbuy. You can always return. While I wait for Maddie, how you guys been? Comment down below how you guys been doing. I am slowly coming out of depression. And yeah, I'm just happy to be back in a good space. Anyways, these are picks. These were $3.99 and 40% off. So I picked up 2 of these, and I just love the muted purple. And these are going in my bedroom. I was thinking maybe, you know, these could work together. And then for my main colors downstairs, this is the route that I'm going again. Burnt orange and amber. Not burnt orange, what? The amber, and then the mustard yellow. That's what I'm going for this year. So I picked up 3 of these. There are 3 of these, and they were $7.99, 40% off. So I got 3 of these. She only brought 2. And then next up, can you bring me all the florals, please? Thank you. I got these floral, and I think they're so stinking cute. These were $3.99, and I got 4 of them. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet, but look how pretty. Even this basket right here, let me show y'all. Ooh, let me show y'all how to switch out stuff for, see, I still have the tags on these for summer. You just drop them in there, and that's a nice little you know, switch over. And then you probably could drop another color in there if you want, you know, to spruce it up with something and just like, you know what I mean? That's the easy way to switch up something. Let me put my stuff back. How I had it. Probably not even gonna get it right. But anyways, so for me, it's easy for me to keep my, so I have 2 more of these. She's like one by one, but one by one, like, ain't nobody got time for that, sweetheart. But it's, get your basic pieces and then switch out your florals. So I got 4 of these, so pretty. Get you some, $3.99. Another one, see, she's bringing them over here one by one. And I think I got 6 of these. These are, I think, are gonna be so popular this year because they remind me of like mini pampas grass, which is like all the rave now. So I picked up a whole bunch of them because I know people are gonna go crazy. And by the time I decide or figure out what I wanna do with these, I think these are gonna go on my island because I have a lot of surfaces in my home that I decorate for fall. So by the time I decide what I wanna do, I don't want them to be not available. So yeah, your girl picked up a bunch. There's more. Every time I go to Hobby Lobby, I grab 3 or 4. So that's that. And then they had their 75% off. So I just got this little round sphere. Is it a sphere or is it a ball? I don't know. It was $3.25 on clearance. Originally $12.99. So that's that. And I'm gonna use that in my fall decor. And then I love this guy so much. I'm thinking of putting it in my entryway. I don't know if you guys know mine, right over there. I'm thinking of putting it there with a coordinating color over here because I don't want to go all out. You know what I mean? So I just grabbed one of this one. This was $15.99, very pricey, but it's very full. You can break the leaf down and stuff and kind of like spread it out so it's kind of like sparse in a sense, and then stick this in a like one of those jars, the big jars. I have these jars. Let me turn y'all around. I have these jars, like really big mason jars. Are they mason jars? I don't know. I forgot what they're called. So you can just stick this down and put that anywhere. It could be a nice centerpiece on like a dining table or, you know, so I got that. I might go back and get another one. I contemplated, but I have a lot of stuff in my basement. So then from their spring stuff, they had these for 66% off, and I just grabbed it. So it's not fall related, but you know, it's in the thing. Okay, so for fall sign related, I was kind of like straying away from wordy stuff, like having too many pieces in my home that are wordy. But I saw this and I just love the color. I love the green. I love the wood tone. And it says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers." I just think it's so cute, and I know exactly where I'm gonna put this. And if you notice, doesn't it go well? It does really well. And the last sign that I got from Hobby Lobby is this really big piece. You guys are gonna be like, what? But I saw it and I had to have it. Maddie, could you grab that sign over there for me, please? Be careful. While she's grabbing the sign, say hello to my little friend. Right here, baby. This came back in stock online and I grabbed it. I wanted it when it first came out, and it sold out everywhere, and it was just on Mcgee selling out like crazy. Not selling out, but on Mcgee for like a lot of money. And I was like, there's no way I'm paying all that much, because this was $20 on Target website, and Mcgee, they wanted like $60 for this, and I was like, nope, your girl's gonna wait. You know what I mean? So I picked this up. It came in yesterday, and I'm so excited to decorate with it. And then this is the sign. Hello, fall. So Like I said, I wanted to get away from the wordy sign, but pieces like these are like a statement piece. You know what I mean? You can put it anywhere and it just instantly create, you know what I mean? But the smaller ones, yeah. Big ones, no, I don't know. I go back and forth. But so this is from her last collection. I wanted this one. I have the other one, the big one, and I hunt for this one. And I was so desperate that I was willing to pay for it on Mcgee for $54 at the time. But there was a shipping price of $15, and I was like, no. So I was glad when this came back in stock at a store near me. I drove an hour and 15 minutes to go get this, and an hour and 15 back, you know what I mean? And that store had a lot of them, but I just got one because I don't want to be greedy, because I know that they're hard to come by. But I'm happy I have this. I'm gonna put it in my kitchen with my utensils coming out of it. So yeah. And then from the new Studio Mcgee, I got this one. This one was out of stock, and I put the notification on, and as soon as it came through, I put it in my cart, and boom, it sold out. And then again, it came back a few days later, and boom, I put it in my cart, and I got it right away. I was like, thank you, Jesus. So I got the big one. Well, it's not big, it's just fatter. It's shorter than the other one. So this is the other one. So these were, these are the set, or this is the set. This one was $25. They're heavy. And then this one was $25. Heavy. So yeah, they're both $25. So $50 for the pair. Not bad if you ask me. I love them. So while I was at the other store where I picked up the little stubby little vase, I saw this one. This one I could not get my hands on to save my life. It's going in my bedroom, and I'm so excited that I have these pieces. I think that's it. Once I take everything out of my basement and figure out where it's going, I will be doing a decorate with me, clean and decorate with me. I'm so excited to be back in a good space where I can share my life with you guys and not feel so, I don't even want to talk about it anymore. But I'm excited to be back, and I am ready to, I don't know. I'm ready to share my life without feeling like I'm being watched and being judged. You know what I mean? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.